Welcome to another wonderful spiritual tip. If you have not counted million for the first time in your entire life, if you haven't counted million as your own for the first time in your entire life, then you need to watch this video to the end, because in this video I will share with you powerful tip that will help you start counting millions. Okay, there are a lot of people out there who have not for one day count millions in their life. They have not even received it in their bank account. Nobody have ever given them a million. They have not made million in their entire life. Okay. Anytime they make money and it reach to some level of crossing over to a million, one problem or the other will arise and that money will vanish. Okay. They have not for one day counted 1 million naira or $1 million or £1 million or €1 million in their entire life. Okay. So if you find yourself in this problem, I want you to know that this is something that you need to fight for you to overcome that problem. Okay. So I will share with you in this video what you should do for you to overcome that problem by doing this spiritual recipe. Welcome back. So if you find yourself in these categories of people who have not for one day count million in their entire life, you need to do this recipe. Yes, you need to do this recipe. And for you to do this recipe, there are items that you need to have. Okay, there are items that you need to have to be able to carry out this spiritual recipe. Number one item is Fanta. You need to buy a Fanta drink. Okay. The second item is native egg. You need to get a native egg. And the third item is an alligator pepper. Okay, an alligator pepper. These are the three items that you need to have to carry out this spiritual recipe. Now, this spiritual recipe, when you are doing it, you need to apply faith, because faith makes spiritual works to be faster. Okay, to come to pass faster. Okay, you need to apply faith. Now, the time for you to do this spiritual recipe is in the afternoon, starting from 12 o'clock. Okay, when the sun is out on the sky, starting from 12 o'clock. This spiritual assignment is not something that you do in the morning or in the night. Just do it in the daytime, starting from 12. You can, start carrying out the spiritual assignment. Now, you get the Fanta. You open that Fanta. Look for a bowel, not a black bowel. Don't use black bowel. Okay, avoid black bowel. Use any other color of bowel. Okay, to pour in that Fanta. Now, once you have poured in that Fanta, you are going to open the alligator pepper. If you have not opened it for the first time, you open it from your bag, because that is the right way to open it. Now, when you open the alligator pepper, you bring out 9 seeds from it. Okay, take note. Bring out 9 seeds from it. Now, you speak to that 9 seeds of alligator pepper in your palms. Thing that causes money not to last in your hand. Anything that has been making you not to count million, that today, as you are carrying out this spiritual recipe, let today be the end of that problem in your life. Okay, with faith. Now, take that 9 seeds of alligator pepper and pour it inside that bottle of Fanta. Okay, use that bottle of Fanta and wash your two palms. Okay, use it and wash your two palms very, very well. Okay, now after washing your two palms very, very well, you get your egg. Use that egg and speak. Okay, so today, as you are breaking this egg, you break anything that is responsible of making you not to count millions. Okay, as you say it, so shall it be. After saying all these things, you wave that egg 4 good times all over your head and you break that egg. Okay, you break that egg outside. Take note, you break it outside, not inside your house. Break it outside. Okay, once you have finished doing this recipe, okay, you relax and watch your life. Okay, within a short period of time, you'll start counting millions. Anything that is spiritually behind that problem of you not counting million, anytime your money reach to the level of reaching to a million and problem will arise, that will be the end of it, after you must have carried out this spiritual recipe. Okay, this is something that you should do if you haven't counted million for the first time in your entire life, because that's a very big problem. If you have not counted million for the very first time in your entire life, there is no way you can be a millionaire. There is no way you can be a millionaire. These are spiritual problems that you need to tackle. Okay, so try and do this recipe and you see how it will work for you. Okay, and make sure you believe in what you are doing. If you have any question that you want to ask about this video, You can use the comment section and ask your question. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. If you want to purchase any of my spiritual products, you can use the link on the comment section to make your order. Okay, so here I'll be wrapping it up in today's video. So please make sure you are part of this channel, and God will use the channel to change the story of your life. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.